It is Tuesday, and they are testing the tornado sirens. Welcome to Illinois, where you think you don't get tornadoes, but you very much can prove that you do. They are testing the tornado warning sirens, as they always do every second Tuesday or first Tuesday of the month. So we're going to listen to them. I may post this to YouTube.
What?
You hear those sirens?
Yeah, every what, Tuesday of the month or something? They test the siren.
Oh, I know that. You think you don't get
Life, man.
what?
Come out and enjoy the life, man.
I'll think about it. I'm definitely gonna post this to YouTube. I'm not gonna name my town for privacy reasons, but I'm gonna name the video well, I don't know what I'm gonna name it. I'm probably just gonna let YouTube name it. Leave a comment below if the state you live in does this as well. I'm sure it does. If you're in the Midwest and you get a lot of, I won't say get a lot of tornadoes, because that's definitely not the case. We have the lake by us, but that they're in the Chicago area. Just say that for context. Those are the tornado warning sirens. They test those every Tuesday.